Arrive in style with this Acura 2017 RDX. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio data system, radio, Acura premium audio system, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.